Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. This integration streamlines your workflow by automatically sending form submissions directly into your Monday.com boards, eliminating manual data entry, and keeping your team organized. Let's walk through the complete setup process. First, you'll need to generate your Monday.com API key, which acts as the secure bridge between these two platforms. Start by logging into the Monday.com web version. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the top corner of the screen and click on it from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Administration. This opens up the back-end settings where you can manage various aspects of your Monday.com account. In the administration area, you'll see a left sidebar with several options. Click on Connections. This section handles all your integrations and external connections. Now you'll notice multiple tabs at the top of this screen. Select the Personal API Token tab. This is where Monday.com generates unique access tokens that allow third-party apps to communicate with your account securely. You'll see an option to generate or view your existing API token. Click to reveal it, then copy this token immediately. It's extremely important that you save this securely somewhere safe, like a password manager, because you won't be able to view it again later. This token essentially acts as a key to your Monday.com account, so treat it carefully. Now that you have your API key ready, it's time to head over to Jotform. Open your Jotform account and either navigate to an existing form you want to integrate or create a new one. The form you choose will be the one that sends data into Monday.com whenever someone submits it. With your form open, look at the top navigation and click on the Settings tab. This brings up various configuration options for your form. On the left sidebar within Settings, you'll find an option labeled Integrations. Click on it to access Jotform's library of available integrations with other platforms. In the integrations area, you'll see a search bar. Type Monday.com into this search field and select the Monday.com integration when it appears. You'll then be presented with integration options. Choose Create Item, which tells Jotform that every new form submission should create a new item in your Monday.com board. Now comes the crucial authentication step. You'll see a field asking for your API token. Paste the token you copied earlier from Monday.com into this field and click Authenticate. Jotform will take a moment to verify the connection with your Monday.com account, so give it a few seconds to process. Once authenticated successfully, you'll need to map your form to a specific board. Select your workspace from the drop-down menu, then choose the board where you want form submissions to appear. After selecting the board, pick the specific group within that board where new items should be created. The next step is field mapping, which determines how information from your Jotform fields corresponds to columns in your Monday.com board. For example, if your form has a name field, you'll want to map that to the name column in your board. Go through each form field and match it to the appropriate Monday.com column to ensure data flows correctly. If you want ongoing updates to sync between platforms, you can optionally enable the Updates or Edit Sync feature. This keeps changes in sync across both systems. Once you've completed all your mappings and settings, click Save to finalize the integration. And that's it, your Jotform is now fully integrated with Monday.com, and every submission will automatically create a new item in your board. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.